This is one very interesting problem. Which ball will arrive at the bottom as the first? What do you think? Of course, there are some assumptions. First one, the particles moves only under the influence of the Earth's gravity force. Second one, there is no friction of any kind. And the third one, they start from rest. If you look at the motion of these two particles, it seems that they reach the bottom at the same time. But in this software I use to visualize the motion, there are so many options, and I'm not sure that some of the frictions options are on, although I try so hard to turn them off. So this motion is more realistic than one we need, the motion with earlier mentioned assumptions. What we need is presented here on the blackboard, although it's green. Here you can see what we want to compare. Based on my previous experience and my knowledge, at first glance, it seems to me that the particles will arrive at the bottom at the same time. But let's prove it. Red particle first crosses the length of A and then the length of B. Blue particle first crosses the length B and then the length A. The question is whether they crosses the total length of A plus B at the same time. Let's analyze the lengths, actually times, one by one. First, we shall use this equation. It is the equation for the distance traveled with initial velocity and acceleration. It is a general equation, of course. In our case, we do not have initial velocity, so this part of the equation is 0. The other thing is that the only acceleration acting on the particles is the projection of the acceleration g on the lengths A and B. So from case to case, the acceleration can be g cosine alpha or g cosine beta. Okay, red particle. According to general equation, red particle will cross distance A like g cosine alpha time for the red particle and distance A to the square over 2. From this, we can express t, which is equal to this square root. Similarly, for the distance B, just pay attention to the projection of the g to the b. So it is equal to this square root. When it comes to the blue particle, the distances b and a is equal to this or this, and the t is this or this. And the conclusion. The time it takes for the red particle to reach the bottom is this, and the time it takes for the blue particle to reach the bottom is this. It is more than obvious that those times are equal. So, the final answer is particles will reach the bottom at the same time.